In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you receive this problem, that no service SIM card problem on Android, or your phone isn't reading your SIM card, what you can do is first go to your phone settings. From here, tap on connections and turn on airplane mode for at least 30 seconds. So after turning on airplane mode for 30 seconds, you want to turn it off back again. Now tap on mobile networks and change your network mode to the first mode. Tap on that. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you want to do is simply go back to your settings and tap here on the search icon. Now search for reset and select reset network settings. From here, tap on Reset Network Settings, and again confirm the reset by tapping on this blue Reset Settings icon. So after doing that, what you want to do is close your apps and restart your phone. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.